Hello YouTube, Eric DIY with another review for you. Today we're going to review the Coast PX20 dual color LED flashlight. So while I'm flying at night during my private pilot lessons a couple months ago, I really saw that I needed a use for a red light LED flashlight. My flight instructor had one and we used it in the cockpit because the night lighting really wasn't working in the Cessna 152 that I was flying. It's also great to have one just for camping, and so I went with the dual color Coast PX20 flashlight. It has 315 lumens of brightness, has a 465-foot range, and it's Ipx4 Weatherproof. You also are able to try it through the package, so it does get pretty bright. Here's the white light. And again, the camera's gonna not do that justice because it doesn't pick up light as well as others. And then you just click it again to turn it off, and here's the red light. And we'll turn that off. So the reason why you want to use red light in a cockpit situation or anything where you're reading maps in a car is because it doesn't make your eyes have to refocus after. There's less eye strain than going with a full-out white light where your eyes would have to refocus. You don't want to be doing that when you're in a cockpit at night, and you also don't want to be doing that when you're looking at maps and the like during the night and you're driving. I'm going to try this thing out. I'm going to see how well it does, but Coast is definitely a brand name, has a lifetime warranty. So looking at the PX20, it has a nice clip, nice solid metal clip that will clip onto your belt. If we open it up, it has a battery pack where it takes 3 AAAs, and they actually come with 3 AAAs, and they're not cheap ones. They're from Duracell, so high quality batteries that they give you. Again, here are your 2 light switches. You got the white light and the red light. Some people have complained that these are pushed in their flight bag and stuff, but honestly, I don't see where that would be a huge problem. They also leave a space to put on a lanyard of some type. But we're gonna try this outside. I got a tent that I'm reviewing outside, and we're gonna go on the front porch and see if we can actually shine the light on it, and that would probably be about a couple 100 feet away. So we'll see how that does. Alright, so as you can see, it's pitch black out there. We're gonna flash the Coast PX20 flashlight out there, and we should see the tent, but we're indoors. I'm gonna flash it through the window. The tent is right out there. Bam. And you can see the reflectors off the tent and everything. That's actually a pretty nice tent that I'm reviewing, but I'm leaving it set up because it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so I want to see how it does in the rain. But you can clearly see that the Coast light picks up everything. I mean, I can see the green colors and everything. And again, this camera does not do it justice. It's actually brighter than what the camera shows. My camera's just not as good at picking up light. So, but you can clearly see the reflectors on the tent and the guy lines and everything. So let's take it outside to the porch and we'll see what we see from there. So we're on the front porch. First we'll flash the Coast PX20 flashlight at the tent that's down there. And you can clearly see it from here. I mean, again, the camera does not do justice, but it is very bright. We can even see the woods behind with this flashlight. You can see some trees and everything like that. So it's doing a very, very nice job. It's very, very bright. You're not going to have any problem seeing with this flashlight. So I would definitely say that that 400-foot claim is definitely true. This flashlight would definitely be excellent for pre-flighting a plane as a pilot. Again, that's the reason why I got this flashlight. Just some more examples. This is the grass right in front of the porch. I got a tree that's about 40 feet away from me that I can totally see with this flashlight. Right there. And there's another tree right there about 40 feet away. So it's doing an awesome job. Just a little demonstration of a sectional map in total pitch darkness. We're going to turn the red light on with the PX20. And you can see the map perfectly. So if you had a sectional chart that you're trying to get in the plane, or any type of map, even if you're in a car looking for directions, this will definitely save your vision. And the more you back it off, the more it can highlight this whole sectional map right here. So it does an excellent job at the intended purpose for myself, which is looking at things in the cockpit during the night flights. The Coast PX20 flashlight is built very rugged too. You have that rubber gasket for the battery compartment that's going to make it weatherproof. It's got an all metal casing, which is really nice to see. What I probably will get though is I will probably get some type of belt loop casing that I can use for this. If I ever do get a chance to use this at night in the cockpit, I will definitely update my review. The Coast PX20 flashlight, I gotta tell you, is total quality. There's nothing on it that's not quality, including the batteries that they include. I definitely look forward to using it on pre-flights at night when I am a private pilot, and The red light is just there for extra special insurance in the cockpit, so it's going to be great. If you'd like to purchase your Coast PX20 dual color flashlight, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. Every purchase will support the Eric DeWhite channel. I appreciate all your support. Please push the subscribe button and the like button if you want to see more videos like this. And as always, have a great evening. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.